And hello again. So your pink challenge today is to be an artiste and draw something very cool today, and I'm going to show you a little bit of how I would go about drawing a certain part of it. Okay, we want you to do one of the rainbows that I know a lot of you have been doing for the window, but this time under that rainbow I would like you to draw your family. Okay, so it might be just the people who are living in your house. Maybe you want to extend it out. Okay, I really want you to get into the artistic spirit and have a real go at trying to draw the people in your family. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to draw faces. So first of all, I would like you to take your piece of paper and very lightly draw a big oval in the middle of it. Okay, so okay, this is going to be our face. If you think someone in your family's got quite a thin face, do a really thin oval. If you think someone's maybe got a rounder face, then maybe make it a little bit more circular when you do it. But that's going to be your base. Now do it very, very lightly with your pencil, because we're going to do some rubbing out later, okay? And now I want you to take your pen and very, very lightly, so don't use your pencil like this, very lightly, because we're going to rub it out. I want you to draw a line down the middle. And I would like you to draw just a line across here like that, so it's quite high up. This is going to be your lines for your face and where to put your eyes and your nose, and it's going to help you out a little bit, okay? So have a think about a face. Look at mine right now, okay? It has 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, which we all know. It's also got ears, and the thing that I think really makes a face is your eyebrows. If you didn't have those, you look very, very bizarre. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do on our face is our eyes, and you're going to use this line here. You have to draw an eye on this side and this side of the line, okay? You can either do circles, but I'm going to do an arch over there, an arch there, and then join them up. Okay, so you've got 2 eyes. You then have to draw a nose, and if you have a look at your nose, it's almost like a sausage tube with 2 holes on the end. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use this line here to help us again. So we're going to do a tube, and then we're going to do 2 little hole loops on the end. Okay, a nose. So again, have a look at your family's nose and have a look, is it thin here? Does it maybe go bigger here? Because sometimes some people have got a bigger nose at the bottom, so in which case you would, on your line, draw a bigger sausage at the bottom and then have your 2 nostrils as well. Okay, so I'm going to draw my nose. I don't think it's that big, but we'll find out. It's quite long, my nose. Okay, and our little bits there. Next bit we've got is our mouth. Okay, if you want to do it with teeth, you can. I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. Okay, you've got a line in the middle where your lips join, and then you've got a lip that goes above. Like mine goes like an shape, so I'm going to do a really long and then you've got almost a curve underneath, so you're going to do the curve underneath. Okay, we're going to leave it there for the moment. The reason I asked you to draw those lines really lightly is because we're now going to rub them out. Oh, should we? No, we'll not. We'll wait until the end. Okay, I now need to fill in the eyes, because if you have a look in your eyes, you've got a coloured circle and then a little black circle in the middle, and that's what we're going to do. And then another one, and a circle in the middle there, okay? Now have a look at your faces and have a look at your eyebrows. Now Miss Telford's eyebrows kind of end. They're not very thick at all, but I'm still going to draw them. They almost go a long point up and down, so I'm going to do a long point up and down. Almost like an upside down V. Okay? Right. We're getting there, doing very, very well. Okay, the next thing we need to do is ears. Now all I would do is, if you can do a curly cup, do one way and one the other way, and use that line where your eyes are on your picture. Just that's where the top of your ear is going to go. Okay, so a little loop there and a little loop there. Okay, and then you can fill in a little bit if you want, because if you have a look at your ears, you've got these funny little shapes here and a hole right there. So if you want to put your ear hole in there, you can as well. Okay, we've got the start of the face. What I would do now is go over the top of your eyes, nose and mouth in pen, or go over darker. Okay, and then you can rub out the lines that we use to help us with our drawing. Okay, so that you are left with the face shape. Okay, now you can either do that as you go along. The lines are just there as a guide, okay, but you'll notice there's something missing on this picture. Does that look like me? No, not yet. There's something missing. It's my hair. Okay, now Miss Telford's currently got her hair up in a hat, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my fringe because it's really, really messy. Okay, if you haven't got a fringe, you don't need to bother. Okay, but I'm going to draw in my fringe, and if you have a look at my hair, it's a bit of a wavy mess. So I'm going to draw on a wavy mess. Okay, usually I wear my glasses, so I have no idea where I put those. They're over there. Okay, so I might even draw on my glasses. Okay, and there is a simple-ish face. Okay, so your challenge today is to attempt to draw some faces of your family. Okay, to show the different the ways their faces are different. So maybe they've got different noses, maybe they've got different eyes, maybe they've got different mouths, maybe their hair's different. When you come to colour it in, have a look at what colour their eyes are and things like that. Are they wearing earrings, glasses, that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's what I would like you to try today under your rainbow. Okay, so whoever lives in your house or who's in your family in its entirety. Okay, and I can't wait to see some of the artists attempt this, because I know that we have got some fantastic drawers in reception. Okay, have a great rest of the day, and I'm looking forward to seeing your cartoons.